Hi, my name is Mike Campbell, and I'm responsible for the MCAD business here at PTC. I'd like to welcome you to this great event where you're going to have the opportunity to learn about Creo 2.0. Creo 2.0 is now available for you to take advantage of, and it really delivers on the vision of the Creo strategy that we've been talking about for the past several months. In this event, you're going to learn about the exciting innovations that are delivered in this new release. The first of those is a focus on variant design. There are specific capabilities in Creo 2.0 that were developed to help you design and validate modular products. These are products that have different configurations that you may deliver to multiple different customers or different markets. These are great new capabilities that help address many of the challenges of trying to make sure that products will fit together in the right way when you configure them for your different markets and consumers. These capabilities work great standalone as a 3D solution and work even better when combined with Windchill. This is the delivery of the AnyBOM vision that we talked about when we announced the overall Creo strategy. A second exciting area of focus in Creo 2.0 is a focus on concept design. We've made some great improvements in our Creo Direct app, as well as great enhancements to the flexible modeling tools, direct modeling tools that were made available to Creo parametric users. Those are all excellent tools to help in the early concepting stage, to help you explore and iterate on your designs in 3D. But I know that many of you struggle with the challenge of beginning to work in 2D and then moving that work into 3D. Many of you might be using legacy 2D tools to do that. And with Creo 2.0, we've delivered a new app called Creo Layout. And this app is specifically focused on this conceptual engineering activity. This idea that you want to work in 2D with a lot of flexibility, iterate on the design in 2D, and then move that 2D information into the 3D world absolutely seamlessly, and control updates happening in either direction. These are great new capabilities, and I'm sure you're going to find concepting new products much more effective, and you'll be able to come up with much more innovative ideas thanks to these tools. Now, I also know that many of you in the audience are existing ProEngineer users. You're probably using ProEngineer Wildfire 5 or maybe even ProEngineer Wildfire 4. And I want you to know that Creo 2.0 is an excellent time to upgrade to this latest generation of design software from PTC. There are tons of new capabilities that you're going to get based on your existing products and license configurations that are going to make you much more productive. We've got a whole new, consistent, modern, familiar user interface that's getting great reviews. We've got exciting new capabilities that we've just built into the base package. For example, Freestyle. These are awesome new surfacing capabilities that make it easier than ever to create aesthetically interesting product designs. I'm sure you're going to find out today there are lots of exciting reasons to adopt Creo 2.0, and I'm really looking forward to your feedback on these exciting new innovations. Thanks a lot for coming to the event today. I hope it's a great one, and thanks for your loyalty to PTC products.